Hey, developers and community members. We've had a couple of questions on how to get Huygens Dev connection added to your Ale wallet. This is just a quick tutorial on how to do so. So I'm already logged into my wallet here. If you don't already have a wallet, please create one. Within your settings, the first thing we need to check is your Ale wallet version. So you could go into your settings, click About, check your current version. Make sure you're on 2.0.6. After that, you'll see this advanced option here. And you can see I already have dev mode enabled. So I'm just going to disable it. And we're going to redo that. Again, we click this up here, go to Settings, Advanced, and then I'll enable it. Now I could click this drop down and Huygens Dev is here. If I disable this, our dev network obviously disappears. So if you're a developer and you want to use that developer network, you're just going to have to enable that connection in your wallet. Advanced, click the slide, and you could switch to your dev network. We are now on our dev network. So it was a pleasure, and I hope this helps you all. Cheers.